In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a mind map in NotebookLM. So the first thing you have to do here inside NotebookLM, of course, is you want to go and add sources. Now, source can be anything over here. As you can see, there's a bunch of different supported file types. You can do whatever you want over here and just feed it some data first. Now, whenever you do that, in my case here, I've just put in one of my videos, which is a tutorial on how to actually gift Discord avatar decorations on mobile. So that's the tutorial I made, and over here, I fed it some data. And you can just go ahead here on the right hand side where you can see the studio. If you can see it, tap on the expand studio panel. You want to tap on mind map over here, and it's going to start generating mind map, of course, on your data over here. And as you can see, it's done that already. You can just tap on it, and over here you can now see the mind map. You can navigate around it. You can go ahead and even expand it. So like this, let me actually go full screen again. There we go. You can zoom in. You can go ahead and expand certain things here, and this is now your mind map. You can go ahead and view it and kind of make whatever you want from it. Some of these can also be expanded further, etc. Okay, so if you want to exit it, tap on this. If you want to get it onto your computer or export it, tap on this. There we go, and it's been exported as a PNG over here, and I can now view it like that on my computer, which is also very convenient. But that is essentially how you can make mind maps in NotebookLM. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.